you did this course. We can't see you because your camera of your laptop is not working.
Yes, ma'am.
How did you find this course, Ritika?
Ma'am, first of all, it was an amazing course, ma'am, because of the 3-4 things, ma'am. It is a cost-effective course, first of all, ma'am.
Yes,
And
it is very cost effective.
Yes, ma'am, and it is totally understandable, ma'am. All doubts were cleared in just 2 days, ma'am, which we were not having from past at least 4-5 years. And it was deep knowledge, ma'am, given by you, ma'am. And thank you, ma'am, for being a guiding light for us, ma'am, in this cervical cancer screening and HPV vaccination. First of all, I think we should start vaccinating myself and my mother also, who is 55 years, ma'am. and we look forward, ma'am, all gynecologists, we can make it cervical cancer free, ma'am, after doing total screening for our patients. So that
yes, you must promise yourself that you will do 100% screening for your patients.
Yes, because ma'am, tomorrow Tata must not say we are chopping off the uterus. We should be able to say we are screening and giving HPV vaccination and making it cervical cancer free.
Yes. See, all doctors say that, gynecologists are doing a great job by removing the uterus, which they are supposed to safeguard. I think this is the biggest shame on us. And I think you all are going to join me in this particular endeavor, that to see to it this country becomes cervical cancer free. Yes, so your doubts are HPV vaccination are clear, your doubts of CN treatment program is clear, your doubts of colposcopy is clear. So you know A to Z of cervical cancer.
Yes, ma'am.
Prevention. So where do you grade this particular course of Delhi Gynecologist Forum?
Totally, ma'am, A+ without doubt, ma'am.
A+. So my only request is that you're going to talk to your colleagues, your friends, your classmates about this particular course and see to it that more and more people do it. This course has a beauty that you don't have to travel. It is very cost effective and, it's just throw away in peanuts prizes. But my only request to you is invest in colposcope, 100% screening, and 100% you should counsel your patient for HPV vaccination. In my clinic is 99% vaccination once we counsel them. In our clinic, it is 100% screening. And I'm known as a pioneer in this particular country for training and taking the cause for cervical cancer prevention. So you should also do the same.
Yes, ma'am.